welcome in to another tutorial that should be fairly simple, I hope. So I'm going to be using some lapaz. Now this is in the colour Flame. Why am I using this? Because I can, and I am. So with the rice stitch, your beginning chain, doesn't matter how long it is, as long as you have an odd number. It's gonna kill me! Okay, maybe not, but odd number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 purely because I'm only giving you a sample. So we only need something little for this one because it's a really nice simple stitch. If this is of any use to you whatsoever, please don't forget to do a thumbs up, and maybe if you're willing, subscribe down below. If you like the hook, it's custom made, and that will also be linked down below. She will make a hook to your design, whatever you wish, whatever your colours. She does amazing work, but I am going to attempt to do amazing work right now. So double crochet in the third from the hook. So 1, 2, 3. In we go for a double crochet. I'll try and do it, whoops, nice and slow. So as soon as you have your double crochet, you double crochet all the way along that chain. So for that double crochet, it's just yarn over into the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again, yarn over, go into the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again, and keep going all the way along the chain. Now because this is only, a small sample, I'm not going to be speeding up any of this. It will just be a case of standard work speed throughout. So just coming to the end of the double crochets now. We have our base of double crochet. There's our base, and you can see the posts, which are highly important within this stitch. So right now we are going to chain 1 and turn. Next we are going to do a half double crochet in that very first stitch. So yarn over into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3. We will always start and end with a half double crochet. The next stitch we are doing is a front post double crochet. So yarn over into that first post, go in, out the other side, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now I would assume that you would know front post and back post for this. If you don't, tutorials are down below, but I won't keep this bit slow only the first 2 stitches. So if you're unsure, please have a look down below and maybe that might help you out. So now we've done a front post, we are doing a back post in the very next. So in through the back, out the other side, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So now you have front post, back post. Now we're going back in for a front, and we're going to alternate front back, all the way along. So front, back, front, oops, front, try again, and back, and you keep going to the end. Front, and then pause. We have 1 post left, so we need to, we're ignoring this one, 1 post left, and we're going to half double crochet right here. On the very last one, half double crochet. So we're not going around the post, we're going into the top of it. Half double crochet, like so. And then we are going to chain 1 and turn and do exactly what we've done down below. So we started with a half double crochet in the first stitch, and even though right now that is facing away from us, we're going to bring that forward because we always start with a half double crochet and a front post. So we're bringing that forward, and then we carry on alternating as we did before. So even though this is a front post, we're now going back post. We are alternating. Oops. And front. And you literally just keep going. That is it. That is how to do the rice stitch. This is great for blankets because you have the texture on 2 sides. This is also a great stitch for things like dishcloths. And it's a nice cowl stitch also. So I've got my last stitch here, which is going to be a front. Bring that forward, and I'm going to end on my half double crochet. And then if I were to continue, it's just a chain 1, turn and repeat as often as you require. That is it. So there are all the little knobbles, and exactly the same on the other side. Lovely texture, just about see just there. So that is the rice stitch. If it was of any use to you whatsoever, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and maybe subscribe down below. And maybe, just maybe, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.